Hello and welcome to our new feature, capturing dimensions fast using the LiDAR facility. We've got some instructions within the app, so I highly recommend you read that before you start conducting the scanning of rooms. So in this demo, just going through showing a few rooms that we're scanning. We've got the hallway here, and we're capturing the walls, the doors, and any of the sort of building features that are important for picking up the dimensions. In a second, we'll be able to identify if there's any radiators in there as well and specify the size of them. So we're just looking at the 3D preview. Here we're going to edit the 2D model, and as we sort of like zoom in to this hall, we can set the wall type. Now this particular room has a party wall, so we can set that so there appear as orange in colour. We'll also be able to select that wall and specify existing radiators. So this comes from our catalogue that we've got within our database. So here we're just putting like a typical P plus rad here. And the great thing about this feature as well, you can move it up and down the wall as I'm showing here. Zoom in, zoom out, you can delete it, you can add more, certainly add more than one radiator, and go in and edit that radiator as well. On the second room, we're just completing a scan, and in a minute we're going to show you how it all stitches together as well, because it's important that rooms stitch together and to all that synchronize the dimensions. As we open up this room, it's important for us to specify any walls that have got a party wall, for example. So we're just we would specify that, but we're just also adding in some radiators as well. So going through our kind of library again. Just showing this a few times just to kind of get used to how this feature works as well. So there's the edit tool for the radiator. We can move it up and down that wall as well. And you'll see that also we've got pending synchronization on the dimensions. So you'll see that it will populate the dimensions once all the rooms have been scanned. And that's so we can identify what walls are internal measurements. And we just press that synchronize measurements button, and now going in and we can show that all the dimensions are populated. So you only do that, you only press that button, synchronize measurements, once you've actually scanned a total floor, because then all the 2D wall plans can be stitched together. All the plans know that what are internal walls, external walls, and the only manual kind of entry you'll need to do is for the party walls, which show up as orange lines, as I kind of illustrated in this video here. I'm just going into Open Studio again, just showing you how quick and easy it is to sort of, even after scanning the room, just to go in, revisit the room again and add an additional emitter in there. And it's to scale as well. So it's representing the actual size of the radiator on the wall there in its length. So hopefully this is going to be a good tool for you guys to use. Thank you.